Hello, this is Dr. Ashanti Holly, and welcome to this month's Superintendent Snapshot. As we move into February, we pause to recognize two meaningful observances, Black History Month and Career and Technical Education Month. Both remind us of the importance of honoring history and celebrating identity, as well as preparing our students for the future. This month truly captured all of that across BCIT and BCSSSD. Let me share some of those moments that stood out. Earlier this year, we hosted our first job fair for the 26th school year. Recruitment is an ongoing effort for us, and this event was an important step in continuing to build strong teams who believe in our mission and our students. That work also took us beyond our campuses as we connected with future educators and professionals at Rutgers University, New Brunswick. At BCIT, learning goes beyond the classroom as students lead with excellence, creativity, and purpose. This year holds special significance as we join the nation in bringing 100 years of Black History commemorations. Throughout the entire month of February, our campuses were alive with student-led tributes and educational experiences. Black History Month came to life through powerful voices, from scholarly presentations in our AP African American Studies classes to the African American Arts Festival at Medford. It was inspiring to see our students take ownership of this month-long celebration, filling our halls with a sense of pride, community, and a true passion for history. CTE is more than a destination. It is the hands-on innovation that happens in our buildings every single day. In honor of National CTE Month, I spent a day learning alongside our students to stay connected to the heartbeat of our schools. I started my day at BCIT Medford with our Academy of Performing Arts, where students took the lead and even taught me a part of their routine. From there, I made my way to the West Hampton campus to visit one of our newest programs, Biomedical Science. I threw on a lab coat and fully immersed myself in the lesson alongside our students. Whether I was finding my rhythm on the stage or analyzing data in the lab, one thing is for sure clear. The brilliance of BCIT lives in the hands and minds of our students and staff. It was an honor to be their classmate for a day and to witness firsthand the great creativity and professional excellence that define our district. CTE Month highlights the power of possibility. These 4 BCIT graduates, each on a unique path, carry with them the skills and confidence gained in our classrooms. Their success proves that when we invest in student passion, we aren't just shaping careers, we are building futures. That same hands-on approach is happening in our global business and supply management program, where students are working towards earning their forklift licenses. Through safety training and real equipment, students are gaining practical skills that prepare them for the workforce right now. We are also honored to welcome the New Jersey Department of Labor and the Office of Career Readiness to our campuses, where they saw firsthand how students in our School of Health Sciences are using cutting-edge equipment to build real-world skills for certification and future careers. Visits like this affirm that our School of Health Sciences is not just meeting expectations, but helping set the standard for high-quality, hands-on CTE. And of course, school spirit has been strong, with our boys and girls basketball teams in full season, competing, supporting one another, and representing BCIT with pride. That focus on supporting the whole student carries right into the work happening across our BCSSSD campuses. At BCAS, we launched a new initiative called Motivational Mondays. This simple but powerful effort is focused on encouraging students, building confidence, and starting each week with positivity and purpose. At Transitions, students in the Taste of Transitions program have been very busy preparing for the Super Bowl. Through hands-on food preparation, students are practicing real-world culinary skills while working together as a team. This month, I was also especially proud to host my first Voices at the Table conversation at Special Services. This initiative began at BCIT, and bringing it to Special Services was incredibly meaningful. Hearing directly from students and creating space for open dialogue is one of the most important parts of this work. Transitions recently brought East and North Campus senior families together for an evening of connection and planning. Families enjoyed a shared meal and guided tours while learning about the vital supports and next steps available for life after graduation. It was a wonderful opportunity for parents to connect with staff and get their questions answered as students prepare for the journey ahead. We also had the opportunity to welcome partners from Occupational Training Center Services to campus, including some of their new board members. They came to spend time in our culinary program and learn from the model we've built as they explore launching a program of their own. Moments like this are the powerful reminder of the impact of our work and the strength of the programs being developed as special services. I want to take a moment to shine a light on Project Search, a powerful partnership with Virtual Hospital. Through this program, transition students are gaining hands-on experience through job shadowing and workplace rotations at Virtua. Spending time on site and hearing directly from our students highlighted how this experience is building real-world skills, confidence, and independence, and reflects the meaningful work happening across special services to support students as they prepare for life beyond our schools. As we reflect on February, I'm reminded that our districts are about more than programs or events. They're about people, students discovering their strengths, families planning for the future, and staff creating opportunities every day. Thank you for being part of our BCIT and BCSSSD community. I look forward to sharing more of our story with you next month.